Write a Python program to perform encryption and decryption of given message using AES algorithm. So I'm sharing the advanced encryption standard. Okay. So now I'm executing this program. See here. CLS notepad space AES. So write a Python program to perform encryption and decryption of given message using AES algorithm. Okay. So Python space AES. See now, original string. I'm taking MLRIT or cyber forensics. Original string. I'm taking cyber forensics. Encrypted string. See that encrypted string. Can you understand this encrypted string? No. So then after that decrypted string, cyber forensics, original string, I got it. Readable format to unreadable format. So by using this algorithm, AES algorithm, we are performing this concept. Now, my dear participants, so only one topic is completed. Now I am moving to ethical hacking, practical demonstration. So any doubts so far?
No, sir.
No doubts.
Yeah. Thank you, my dear participants. Yeah. If you are having any queries, please share in the chat box so that I will clarify all the doubts. So before going to next topic, I have created my channel recently, 6 months back. I have created one channel, Dr. Asadi. If you are having mobile phone or laptop, please subscribe my channel. And I uploaded 174 videos all over the world. I have explained various technologies like data science applications using machine learning and deep learning, and blockchain technologies, Internet of Things, cyber security applications, big data technologies, artificial intelligence technologies, various technologies have demonstrated. Please utilize all those videos. If you are having mobile phone, please go to YouTube channel, type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. If you click, if you are having mobile phone or laptop, please do it 1 minute. Then I'll move to the next topic. So please subscribe my channel. See here, I have created a channel and number of videos related to various technologies, data science applications using Python, and cyber security applications, blockchain technologies, Internet of Things, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence applications, and machine learning applications, health data analytics using machine learning applications, whatnot. All IT technologies I have explained. You can use those technologies for your career, and you can ask any queries related if you are not understanding any topic. See here, 174 videos I have uploaded in this my channel. All over the world I have given presentations on cyber security, data science, big data, IoT, blockchain technologies. My future workshop is on a ChatGPT. How to create the best research article by using ChatGPT. I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to share that link in the group chat so that you can also join and ask any queries. So only 10 members subscribed so far. My dear friends, you have a mobile phone and you have a laptop. Just go to YouTube and type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. And you can subscribe my channel and you can write comments. And these are the 174 videos. Thank you. Now I'm moving to ethical hacking. If you are having a mobile phone also, you can do it. In the mobile phone or laptop, both. You can use anyone and subscribe my channel. Now 15 members has done now. So these are the various videos I have uploaded. You can write your comments and you can ask any doubts. I'm giving my details to your coordinator. Your coordinator is sharing. Okay. So yeah, only now 19 members has done. What about remaining, my dear friends? Please subscribe, that's all. Only 19 members has done. Nearly 340 members are there. Nearly 340 participants are there. Please subscribe my channel. Now I am moving to next concept. So Python programming. What are the libraries I have installed so far? See, I have installed a natural language toolkit, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, etc. And these are the 14 libraries I have installed. Now I am going to demonstrate. Write a Python program to perform encryption and decryption of given message using DES algorithm. Now see, I am going to demonstrate a DES algorithm. Write a Python program, notepad space, DES. So this is the program. Write a Python program to perform encryption and decryption of given message using DES algorithm, data encryption standard. Okay. So now I am executing this program. Please see here, Python space DES. So I have given original message is data science and encrypted message is. Can you read this encrypted message? System can understand, but human cannot understand this one. Once you decrypted string, then only you can understand it is a data science. Or you can give cyber security. Okay, next. Next algorithm, write a Python program to perform encryption, decryption of given message. AES algorithm I have executed. Next RSA algorithm I have executed. And tools in Python, you can use PyCharm IDE, the best Python IDE by mile. Python Anywhere, IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment, Sublime Text, Atom, Jupyter Notebook, Spider, pip package. You know, pip install, package installation for Python. Pip expansion is package installation for Python. Scikit-learn, best Python library, best tool, pip package to install any packages. Then technologies used in Python programming in order to implement AI applications, machine learning applications, deep learning applications, cyber security applications, big data applications, IoT applications, web development applications, GUI development applications, scientific and numeric applications, software development, system administration related applications. We are using various technologies used in Python programming. That's why Python is so popular, because of rich number of libraries. Benefits of Python for cyber security. It simplifies debugging. It open source programming language. It useful in automation. It is a powerful language. It enhances productivity. It reduces development time. It uses real world programming products, etc. So Python as a language has the following applications in cyber security: geolocation extraction using machine learning and deep learning techniques. I'm going to demonstrate now. Better script development, complete cyber security package, network port scanning, application monitoring, packet sniffing, etc. So building secure Python applications, artificial intelligence applications in robotics, quantum computing, web development, web scraping, automation and testing, blockchain technology, ethical hacking, we are using Python programming. So with this one, the next module is completed. Now I am going to next module. So I have explained 12 modules. Now 12 modules I am going to demonstrate with practical session and followed by the projects. My dear participants, so far 25 participants subscribed my channel. Remaining, please, you have a mobile, just subscribe, that's all. And you can listen whenever you are free time. If you are using laptop, there also you can go to www.youtube.com. There you type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Or if you are using mobile phone, go to YouTube, type Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.